next up, starting procedure for the tractor. This is the tractor's clutch. This is the brake. This is the hand brake here. This is the throttle, hand throttle. Behind it is the PTO. This lever here is the rear PTO hydraulic selector. The next lever over is the front hydraulic selector for selecting the wobble stick bucket. Push it forward, pull it back to select back here. This is the gear selector. It's forward, reverse in the front part, and gears 1 through 6 in the second part, plus low 1, 2. This lever here is the engine pressure release. Check neutral, release pressure, slide the hand throttle forward like this. Now the engine is ready to start. So we have both the forward and reverse selector and the gear selector in neutral. This is the battery ground. Turn it and this battery light will come on. We will now spin the engine up and then press the pressure release here. It takes 2 hands, so you're going to get to hear how I do it. I'm going to hold down this button and then push this in, and then I will throttle the throttle back once it gets going. To turn it off, push the hand throttle back, release the pressure, turn off, push the pressure engage back in so nothing leaks into the engine. That's it.